What kind of quwwah do we give our children, our youth, when they walk into the hallway of the high school? And there's all kinds of shayateen around them who could be brainwashing them literally to do this or do that, try this or try that, talk this or talk that. What kind of quwwah that we should be asking ourselves that I should be ready to meet my enemy? It's not that everyone who is different than you is an enemy. I don't want you to feel like that way. Many people around us are dallin, misguided. Many people around us are weak. If they behave in a certain way, if they wear a certain way, if they talk a certain way, does not make them enemies. But they are weak. But you as a believer, as a Muslim, as somebody who believes in Allah, that Allah is by your side. So you as a believer who believes in the name of Allah, Al-Qawi, Al-Mateen, the strong, the one who gives support.